Okay, so I'm in my hotel right now, the Oxford Suites here in Lancaster. We got in at 3 o'clock in the morning last night, me, Chris, and Dwayne. It's the beginning of another beautiful race weekend, and this is the beginning of another bloopers, so thanks for joining in, and I hope you get some good laughs out of this one.
Morning. Afternoon.
Are you gonna start these bloopers off, Dwayne? Perfect.
Stop. Morning, morning.
Hi.
Considered a competitive bid, $400 million to win it. Yeah, really cool.
So I may or may not have some choice for you, girl. Okay.
He's got a real job too. I'm really hating it. And my office upstairs.
I just remember, yeah, I don't know. They don't have a small vehicle anymore. Are we ready to go?
Well, Ford came out.
Are we going to the musical road?
Yeah.
I'll follow you. Are we going to the we're going to the musical road, right?
Yep.
And then the flowers, right?
Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around.
Georgia, she's got the ball in the palm of her hand. She's a 90s country fan. Like
Help to record. See, Eric.
Secret's over.
I like this point of view because Dwayne's actually in the video. So I'm going to put this one over there and then bring it across and I'm going to put the power bank. Ooh.
Going to the blooper wheel. And I'm like, and I looked at the blooper wheel, but she doesn't love me.
Oh, you'll be in it now. I'm sorry. Now you will be in it. You'll get your own section.
Because I can't shoot in the moment.
No, I thought about that. I was like, who am I missing? I was like, Jerry.
I'm never out on
Exactly. It's like who I'm hanging around. It's like, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. Yes. Live my best life.
And 73 miles we towed this car.
It's actually a 119, so they can't hear what you're saying.
Oh.
You just look really cool in slow motion. Like that.
I thought you had your body cam going.
Oh, that. Oh, I should have it pointed upwards.
Oh.
Wow, it'd help for the bloopers.
So 973 miles.
Do you imagine that Jerry complained to me about not being in the video, and she's rightfully so. Rightfully so. So funny. Yeah. How's it going?
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Would you like one of these cold beers?
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay.
If I liked beer, I would
You're on
take
the
one,
job.
but
Oh, dang it.
I'm not a
Beer
fan.
and
I would just waste it.
Next time.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Haley.
Haley, I'm Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
What team?
The 444 right there.
Okay, cool. You're not in it.
I'm important, damn it. I'm important.
I really hope that was on my GoPro.
Hand us to Haley.
Yes.
Will you share that map with Kathy?
It'll take a little bit longer than normal. It's an Android. Fuck. Okay.
Oh, are you not an
No,
Android?
I'll figure this out.
3 dots.